Hi everybody, we're back. It's number 5, our 5th installment in what we could call videos to make you smile. Anyway, we've chosen a Caribbean song today because we have bongos. Check it out. My cousin Mike was so, let's use the word impressed with Bruce's percussion skills that he actually got on Amazon and sent Bruce a set of bongos. He's actually calling Bruce Bonzo. So he threw down the gauntlet just like he did when he bought me my first guitar. That's the kind of guy he is. And so Bruce has actually tried to learn something, and we're going to play it. It's a Caribbean number because it's bongos, and to give you a hint on what the title is, I'm going to show you a patch that I used to wear on my blue jeans when I was 14 years old. See that? Well, if you had three of those, that's our song. So, ladies and gentlemen, my John Bonham, my Don Brewer, my Keith Moon, my Karen Carpenter, Bruce Davidson. Kick us off when you're ready. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Woke up this morning, smiled at the rising sun. Melodies pure and clear, singing, this is my message to you, you. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Woke up this morning, smiled at the rising sun. 3 little birds by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and clear, singing, this is my message to you, you. About a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Yay! Thank you, Bruce.
Thank you.
Thank you, folks. See you next time.